How do I edit NotionPlus widgets more easily? Hi, I am Uğur, the founder of NotionPlus. I did a little UX work in the past to edit the widget in your template. We use it to find and edit the widget from the NotionPlus dashboard and then from the widget page. This process is long. If you have a lot of widgets, it becomes very difficult to find. I designed it the fastest and easiest way possible. In which template is your widgets? Open the template. Okay? Click on this one or one original. Click. In the bottom left corner it will say edit. You can click and update it. This edit link will only appear if you are logged in and it only appears in your widgets. I tried it very hard to edit without opening a side tab like this. However, the edit feature in the Notion template does not work. It does not work due to Notion. Maybe I can solve this in the future. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to Notion Plus and stay tuned. See you soon.